Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to add or edit or delete dispatch from address. So this is the address that you ship your item. So this is mainly a postcode that you want to enter. So there are two reasons that you want to do it, and to make sure that the dispatch from postcode matches the one that you have entered here as well on eBay. So you can go to the section by going to account and addresses. And from here, you can see the dispatch address. So you can click on edit and it will show you the address here. So you can edit from here by clicking on it and you can see the postcodes. So the once you have entered it, and if I go back to a search like this, and if I put something, and if I want to filter, if you're a buyer, for example, they can filter right to the nearest one. So when you do that search by the nearest first, the eBay system will take that account, your address, the dispatch from address, and it will show your item if it's near to the buyer. Okay, and the second thing is that eBay will also cross-check the dispatch from postcode. So, for example, if you have dispatched an item and you updated the tracking on eBay, and eBay will check, their system will check the postcode that's been dispatched to check if it matches what you have entered on eBay. Okay, and if it doesn't match, then that's a kind of a trigger for them. Basically, they will, at that point they will think, okay, you're doing some kind of drop shipping. Again, that's against their policy. That that will cause a lot of problems. So make sure that the postcode that just matches the dispatch from address. And there is a second way to do this, is kind of for the all account. Okay, and imagine that if you are dispatching from different warehouse, so you need different address. In that case, what you can do, you can go to that specific listing and you can click on edit, and you can see the under preference, there's a item location postcode as well, so you can click on and change that postcode for that specific listing as well. Let me know if you have any comments. Thanks a lot for watching.